Hey everyone, in today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to install Docker Desktop on Windows in just a few minutes. Whether you're a developer or just curious about containers, this guide will get you up and running quickly. Before we start, a quick recap. Docker is a platform that lets you run applications in containers. Think of containers like lightweight virtual machines, easy to deploy and manage. First, let's make sure your system is ready. You'll need Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Windows 11. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Now, before we install WSL2, we need to make sure a Windows feature is enabled. Go to the Windows search bar and type Turn Windows features on or off. A new window will open with a list of optional features. Here, scroll down and make sure virtual machine platform is checked. Also, check Windows subsystem for Linux if it isn't already. Click OK and restart your computer when prompted. To ensure virtualization is fully enabled on your system, open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab and check the bottom right section. If the setup is correct, it will show virtualization enabled. Docker on Windows uses WSL2, so we need to enable it. Open PowerShell as administrator and type WSL install. This will install WSL2 and the default Ubuntu Linux distro. After it finishes, restart your PC if prompted. Check the installed version, open PowerShell and type command WSL version. You can check if WSL2 is active with type WSL list verbose command. It is listed Docker and Ubuntu as running. Next, go to docker.com and download Docker Desktop for Windows. Make sure you pick the version that matches your Windows edition. Run the installer. During setup, make sure to select Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V. This is faster and more compatible. Also, integrate Docker with your Ubuntu distro. Click Install and wait for it to finish. A restart might be required. Once installed, open Docker Desktop. You'll see the whale icon in your system tray. Click it to check settings and ensure it's using WSL2. You can also configure memory, CPUs, and other resources here. To make sure everything is working, open PowerShell and run docker version. You should see the Docker version. Next, test it by running docker run hello world. And that's it. Docker is now installed on your Windows machine. You're ready to start building and running containers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.